At Shenzhen Gemdragon Display, technology company Limited Precision is not just a goal, it's our promise. From design to delivery, we craft professional digital signage solutions trusted worldwide. Our journey begins in the sheet metal production area. Here, high-precision laser cutters carve out the frame of every screen, ensuring seamless design. Punching machines and bending equipment. Smooth surfaces are achieved through detailed polishing and grinding. Welding experts ensure structural integrity, while automated systems enhance production speed and accuracy. In our clean room assembly line, every unit is built under strict conditions to ensure safety and reliability. Displays undergo rigorous brightness calibration to ensure optimal visibility across diverse environments. QC inspection line in our product assembly workshop. Each product completes a high-temperature aging test followed by standard room temperature aging to guarantee long-lasting performance even in harsh outdoor conditions. Finished units are stored in a climate-controlled warehouse ready for prompt global dispatch. At the heart of Gemdragon is a passionate team from engineers and quality controllers to our international sales and service experts. Our meeting rooms, certifications, and showroom reflect the professionalism and innovation we bring to every project. With proven performance in over 50 countries, Gemdragon continues to empower global brands with cutting-edge digital signage solutions.
Hello, we are Gemdragon Display. We are offered to digital signal, video wall print, outdoor display, interactive touchscreen display, and so on. We are committed to provide hardware and software custom service. Thank you for choosing Gemdragon.